Navigating menopause, brain health strategies. Menopause is a significant transition in a woman's life and often brings with it a range of challenges that affect the quality of life. While commonly associated with symptoms such as hot flashes and vaginal dryness, menopause also has a profound but often overlooked impact on cognitive functions. This stage, already demanding due to symptoms like sleep disturbances, fatigue, and weight gain, can be further complicated by issues related to mental clarity and cognitive health. Estrogen plays a crucial role in maintaining brain health, supporting metabolism, promoting blood flow to the brain, encouraging brain cell growth, and regulating neurotransmitters that are essential for mood and cognitive function. As women transition into menopause, there's a marked decrease in estrogen production, leading to significant changes in mental health. Anxiety, depression, and memory problems are commonly reported. The brain attempts to compensate through structural changes, such as increased estrogen receptors, changes in hippocampal volume, brain metabolism, and white matter integrity, often resulting in cognitive decline and brain fog. Given the importance of brain health during menopause, here are 3 strategies to help combat brain fog and improve mood and cognition. First, move your body. Physical activity is crucial for brain health, helping reduce cognitive decline and boost mood. Exercise increases brain blood flow, supports neuron growth, and releases endorphins, which help manage mood swings and anxiety by promoting neuroplasticity. Postmenopausal women benefit greatly from regular exercise and cognitive somatic training, like dance, martial arts, or interactive video games, may offer enhanced cognitive benefits by combining physical fitness with mental challenges. Start with small, manageable exercise sessions, set realistic goals, create a consistent routine by scheduling workouts, and consider joining a social exercise group for added motivation. Second, nourish your brain. Good nutrition is key to maintaining brain health and managing menopausal challenges. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats supplies the necessary nutrients for brain function and overall health. Focus on incorporating antioxidants found in foods like walnuts, turmeric, and leafy greens, as well as omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. Third, manage stress. Menopause is a stressful time, and chronic stress negatively impacts cognitive function. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Goodbye.